Really liked the hands-on approach, in a sense that we were actually looking at the theory, but then we were actually applying it to the problems that we had, not some sort of made-up case study or idea. It was actually being used to fix problems that were pertinent to our business moving forward.
It was informative to all levels. It's not just the higher level. They sort of explained a lot to us about each step of the process, and then we're taken out and shown as well, different ways of using that process. So it's very informative in that respect.
Now we've looked at the business in a whole new light. We're actually looking to restructure a lot of the back office operations that were previously kind of left alone because they worked, or we thought they did. But as soon as you start to pull them apart and have a good look at them, you find out that they don't work quite so well. The good ideas can come from anywhere in the business. The people have the tools to take that good idea and turn it into something more. And so it's not management from the top down. On the factory floor, the guys have come up with a number of individual improvements themselves, down to simply cutting a hole in some pieces of timber that we otherwise ordinarily use in the process, so that they can access what's underneath the timber. And such a simple idea, when you see it in action, that you wonder why someone hasn't thought of that sometime in the last 25 years. And that's saving hours over a month, which to us equates to a lot of money. So that's just one example, and there's been quite a lot.
The next step, which we've begun to engage Efficiency Works with, is looking at how we can apply what we've done in the factory to the back office situation. So improving our processes, our VSM and flow of everything in the back office, because previously the factory was the bottleneck. Now the office is the bottleneck. So moving there to try and get some efficiencies, and by doing so we can then truly start to become a lean operation, not just in the factory.
Before, as I said, it was about pushing things through our process, and that's all we sort of cared about. The customer would get their product at the end of the day, but for us now it's what does the customer want? So we make exactly what they want, when they want it, and send it out. So there's a lot less waste and a lot more happy customers.
Oh, I'd say do it. Yeah. Just do it. It's it can be a very helpful tool. It can reaffirm a lot of what you already know, and it can also teach you some things that you don't know.
If you're on the fence, just get off it and jump in straight away. The benefits are enormous.